What's going on, YouTube? It's Raul Boomin, back with another video, and in this video I'm making a DIY amplifier rack for my car amplifiers. Now, I shot this footage vertically, so if that's going to be a problem, my apologies, but I can't re-record the footage, so here it is. Check it out. So the idea here is to mount the amp rack behind the larger portion of my back seat in my Jeep Cherokee. Let's see how it turns out. And that was my DIY amplifier rack for my amplifiers. If you like my content, like, subscribe, and leave a comment for me. See you in the next one.